Hey guys, mowers and blowers here again. Working on the two leaf blowers I got. It's item number 3 and 4 from my Motherload 7 pick. That's a Poulan Pro leaf blower, and the guy said it didn't work. Well, I put gas in it and tried to pull it a few times, and it started just a little bit, but then it just stopped. It seemed like the carburetor adjustment screws needed to be adjusted, but of course, they don't really. Not everybody has those tools, so I had to make one like that. You can just heat up the thing and just jam it in there, and then you can use that to turn, with your fingers like that. So a little bit of adjusting, and that's all it took, man. And starts up good now. Sorry, well. I'm gonna show you. Should be it worked just a second ago. Alright, so now I'm gonna work on this damn thing. I tried starting it a couple of times. It sounded like it might want to, I think the carburetor is just dirty, so I'm gonna take the air filter cap off, 2 screws to unleash the carburetor, take it apart and see if those diaphragms are clear. So just to remove the plastic cap, and then it's 2 Allen keys to take those, loosen up those 2 bolts, and then that top base air filter base comes out. No, I didn't see an air filter. Oh, there it is. Kind of dirty. Anyway, so there's the carburetor right there, and I guess it could be dirty, but the whole thing is the diaphragm in here. Could have sawdust that's clogging the mesh area. It could be in here too, so it's just 2 bolts to remove the primer bulb area and the fuel pump, and also 2 bolts to take that off, but we'll take it off one at a time so we don't get confused. Also, let's remember how the fuel line goes, because I always get these mixed up, always. So the thinner one is going to the fuel pump. Okay, let's remember that. I'm going to take a picture. And the thicker one goes into the carburetor. So one's a return, which is probably this one, and one is the gas line that sucks up the fuel that goes into there. I could be wrong. I think I might have mixed it up again, but we'll see. So I'm going to disconnect those and take apart the diaphragm. It's really clean, man. No dust or dirt in there, but I'll blow it out anyway with carburetor fluid. Now I remove the 2 bolts from the 2 screws for the primer bulb area. So it comes out like that, and if you can see carefully in this mesh part there, look at that. See that stuff there right on the mesh? So that's gummed up gas, which is because gas is 10% ethanol. If you leave it for a while, it just turns into that. And if you look here, that's also gummed up too, and that flap controls the fluid, the fuel that goes in and out of that area. So that needs to be cleaned out, and that was probably the reason why it didn't start right. So we'll just blow it out with carb cleaner. I just removed the gasket from this area. See all that gummed up stuff there too? I'm gonna clean that out. See how much cleaner that is? Put the carburetor back again with those 2 Allen bolts. And guess I'm going to give it a try. So I tried it real quick, and you know, it started for a little bit from the prime, but then it just stopped. So I don't think it's getting any fuel for some reason. So I'm just took the diaphragm back off again. Be careful of that little tiny spring that you see there, that is holding the needle. Idles well, man. All right. 2 leaf blowers in one day. How about that? Looks like my bad luck with leaf blowers has just changed. See you guys next time on Motors and Blowers.